Mr. Speaker, next week there will be hundreds of thousands of Canadians who will be celebrating Ramadan. In my own riding, there will be many thousands, and of course across the world, hundreds of millions. And I want to take this opportunity to wish all of those who are celebrating Ramadan, Ramadan Mubarak. Last year, I had the opportunity to fast for the entire period of Ramadan. It's something I'm going to do again in support of a charity called Give 30. And that is to take the money that you save from fasting every day to give to those that are more needy, and particularly food banks. When I fasted, it was an incredible experience to feel what it was like to be hungry. And of course, I got relief at the end of the day. But for many children, unfortunately in Canada, around the world, that relief never comes. They have to make it through a day and try to learn and try to prepare for their future without the aid of food. This charity gives an opportunity to reflect upon that and use the power of Ramadan to help others. Thank you.